If you're looking to set up a WorldRemit account but want to keep your personal number private, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you a smart way to create your account using a virtual phone number from a reliable provider like KrispCall. Why does this matter? Well, WorldRemit is one of the top platforms for sending money internationally, and keeping your personal information secure is a must. A virtual phone number lets you verify your account without sharing your real number, adding an extra layer of privacy. To get started, visit KrispCall.com and get a virtual number to create a WorldRemit account. New users receive a free virtual number from the USA, Canada, and the UK, and a $1 credit. As most of our customers received OTPs from the UK and Switzerland, we will try to receive OTP with the UK number. Make sure you choose an SMS-enabled mobile number for verification. Avoid local or toll-free numbers, as they might not reliably receive SMS messages. Begin by visiting KrispCall.com and explore a selection of virtual phone numbers from over 100 countries. After signing up, opt for a UK mobile number to ensure the highest success rate for OTP delivery. Complete the verification process by submitting the necessary documents. Finalize your purchase to get your UK virtual phone number. After obtaining your UK mobile number from KrispCall, follow these steps. Install the WorldRemit app to begin your account registration process. Fill in the required details to set up your account. When prompted, enter the virtual phone number you purchased from KrispCall. An OTP code will be sent to the message inbox of your KrispCall number. Enter the OTP on WorldRemit. Please note that WorldRemit handles the delivery of OTP codes via SMS, not KrispCall. KrispCall does not impose any restrictions on SMS or calls sent to your virtual number. Finally, provide the necessary information and documents to verify your identity. And that's all there is to it. Quickly verify your WorldRemit account with a KrispCall virtual number. Choose from a range of numbers across different countries to receive your OTPs, but make sure to select SMS-enabled or mobile numbers for smooth delivery. Contact our chat support for more information.